why the data that I'm getting from this API is not accurate, or why the data from this API is not returning this information about this city and about these countries. Hi, my name is Minji, developer advocate at Amadeus for Developers. We often receive this type of questions from users a lot. It is just because you're using test environments. In this video, I'm going to clarify the differences between test and production environments. So in Amadeus Self-Service API, there are two environments that you can access to. The first is a test environment, and second is a productions. So first, the test environment is a free access that you can get. You can get immediately after you sign up and after you create your app, as I demonstrated in the previous video. So the first API call that you can test in the website is based on the test environment. And it is based on it is free access, but with limited quota. So there is a limited quota per month. So if you exceed this limited quota in this month, you need to wait the next month to get the new one. And also, the test environment is based on the test data collections. Let's check the Amadeus for Developers website to get all this information, to check the informations. So this is a developers.amadeus.com, and if you click the products and the pricing page, you will be able to see the differences between test and productions. So here, as you can see, test environment is based on the test with the limited quota per month, and you will be able to check how many quota per API that you can get. And also the test data collections that you have to refer and you have to consider is available in the documentations. We go to the documentation, and if you click the guide, there is a test environment data collections per API. So usually all these free data collections are based on the cache informations or based on the popular destinations or like big cities such as New York or London. So please bear in mind this data collection when you use the test environment. And also there is another limitation on the test environment, which is the limited rate limit. So you will only be able to request 10 transactions per second, and you cannot request more than one request per 100 milliseconds. So that was the test environment. Then what is the benefit of the productions? Let's go through the production environments. So production environment is, as you can feel, this is a real-time data. So you will get the real-time data, such as you will get the real-time flight search, flight price or hotel price, and you will be able to make real flight bookings or hotel bookings. And also, there is a big misunderstanding about the production, which is the production access also has free quota. So this free quota information, you will be able to check in pricing page as well. So if you click the production, you will also see the free quota available. So, meaning that you will be able to also test and check the quality of the data in production for free within the amount of test request and test a free quota amount. And also another benefit is that you will have the better than test environment, which is the 40 transactions per second, and you will be able to have full parallelizations of the request. And the last thing is that if you have any issue in production, our team, the Amadeus for Developers teams, will put the priority to fix the issue as soon as possible. So in order to check the usage, you can check, so if you mouse over the My Service Self-Service workspace here, you will be able to see API usage and quota. Here, you will be able to see how many transactions that you made in test or production environment and how many free quota that you have left in this month. So this is an important page that you need to refer to make sure that you are not exceeding the free quota. That's it. I hope it clarifies the differences between the environments for you. And in next videos, I'm gonna go through all the developers' resources and tools available for you to build your applications. And also, I'm gonna go through with you together how to move to the productions. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you in the next video for the developer resources.